Okay, this is fun. I'm gonna try something a little different here. This is 4K 30 frames per second, and I finally got it into like dual mode, so it's recording two things at once. But I set it on wide angle and zoom lens, so I can pick whatever I want with the two cameras. I can even put them like side by side if I wanted to. But let's see what happens here. I'd like to get it so we can zoom way down the road. So you can see way down the road, but you can also see the wide shot at the same time. Let's see if that's gonna work. I suppose it's gonna depend on if the hill is, or if the road is flat or curved or not. Oh, it's very bumpy too. It's not as stable as I thought it would be. Kind of interesting though. It's too bad you can't adjust the camera. I don't think you can adjust it while you're recording. No, you can't. Okay, we'll just leave it here for this ride. It's a short ride. See how it goes. Definitely distracting with it being bouncy. So next time we're going to switch to the wide shot and the internal camera. I just heard from somebody that it's icy. Other parts of town, they were walking. It was slick. I feel like you can hear ice hitting every once in a while. Maybe they're just big raindrops, but. Too bad it's bouncy. Too bad image stabilization isn't better. Probably why wide angle works so well, because you can't really tell. Can I do this and that will like override it? Like it'll just record full screen wide. I like to play in the snow. I like to play in the snow. Must be a bunch of pickleball people here. I can't see the lines. Hopefully I'm in the lines.